Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're on S Motorsports. Today I got a product review for you. Hey guys, so I got a product review for you. It is a MODA 6th Gen indoor black stretchy car cover. So I figured I'd open it up and let you guys see what it looks like, and we'll put it on the car and see how it fits. As I wanted something to cover up the car, kind of thinking about coming up in the winter, as even sitting in the garage, it does get dusty just sitting here. So I wanted to get something to protect it a little bit in case, you know, someone bumps up against it or something. So something to protect it a little bit. So I popped open the box. I thought it was gonna be in another box, but it wasn't. So we'll switch cameras here and we'll start opening up, see what it looks like. All right guys, so let's open it up. So it just came in this cardboard box. Like I said, I got this off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description, but it just came in this box. I was expecting it to be in a different box, but it was just in this sack here. So let's pull it out. It's got a decent amount of heft to it. There's no markings on it, which I thought was kind of weird that it wouldn't have a label or something on it. But yeah, so let's open it up and take a look. Let's see. And I will say, like, I got a car cover for the Trans Am too, and you know, that one is definitely lighter than this one. This one feels like it's got some, you know, little nice weight to it. Okay, so it's got a tag here telling you the front of the car cover. That's nice. So what's going on here? They got it tucked in. All right, we got a label. All right, so let's toss this over the car. You can see we got the front label here. You know, it feels like a moisture wicking shirt is what it feels like. That's what the fabric is. So it's very soft to the touch. And like I said, it feels like a moisture wicking shirt. Very, you know, it's a light car cover. This isn't made to be outside at all. So that's one note, that this is definitely not an outside car cover. This is a garage car cover just to keep the dust off. But I mean, a little bit wrinkled here, but not bad. That'll probably smooth out a little bit. But it's just like a screen, not a screen print, but like a vinyl decal on here with the Camaro logo, which that should look nice. And obviously that's on the front. So let's spread this over the car. And I'll get the camera set up and see what it looks like on the car. All right, we're gonna spread this out over the car and see what it looks like. It's like a big blanket. So I already did notice, just right here, right in the front, there's already a hole in it. I don't like that. All right, we got the car cover on. It goes all the way to the floor, which is nice. It covers everything up. You know, it's a little loose, but it has pockets for the mirrors, but it's pretty form-fitting around it. as you can see, covers up the entire back of the car, all the way basically to the floor. You can kind of see the stitch lines where the cover needs to be. Covers up the wheels. You know, can probably pull that down just a little bit. So it covers up the wheels. The wheels aren't gonna get dusty. Again, the mirror pockets. I like it. Yeah, you know, and it doesn't need much inside, that's the thing. But my only complaint is it's got a hole already. Like, that's annoying. That this is a brand new cover, took it out of the package, and there's a hole. Yeah. Might have to ask Amazon about that. Otherwise, I like the cover because it's nice and light. And keep the dust off, which is what I want. But like I said, my only complaint is that hole. And before I probably get this video edited, I'm gonna reach out and see what Amazon says, see what they can do, because I just find that really annoying, because this car cover is 150 bucks and it's basically a blanket. If I'm gonna pay 150 bucks, it shouldn't have a hole in it. So let me know what you guys think if you agree. But yeah, I mean, that's just like anything. You buy something new, you want it to be nice. Otherwise, I like it. I like that it's just a black cover. It's nice form fitting. It's not, the car cover that I have for the Trans Am, that one kind of drapes all over and it, I don't know, it's not very nice. It was a cheap car cover, let's just say that. But this one, I like it. It covers the front nice. It's got, you can still tell it's a Camaro underneath. Plus it's obviously got the logo. So I like the cover, I'm gonna keep it. I'm just gonna have to reach out and see what they say about that hole, if they wanna send me a new one. Obviously I could stitch that up or sew that up, but I feel like I shouldn't have to. All right guys, quick little update here on the Camaro cover. We got a new one. Old one, new one. So what I did is I just went ahead and ordered a new cover from Southern Car Parts, and I'm gonna return the other one that was from Amazon and just not deal with that. So yeah, I ordered a new one. Let's open it up quick and take a peek and make sure that it does not have a hole in it this time. All right, so we're gonna just open it up quick, make sure it is what I think it is. Being careful with the knife. So again, this came in just a plain old box, which I was kind of surprised by, but yep, I mean, looks the same, no markings, nothing. So that all looks the same. Like I said, I'm just hoping this one is in a little better shape. So let's throw it on the car quick and just double check and make sure that this one does not have a hole in it. All right guys, got the cover thrown on. Look at that, no hole. I know it's small, but it would have just annoyed the crap out of me if I would have left it. So just went ahead and got a brand new one. I did a quick inspection over it. It looks like, you know, it's good. There's no holes in it. Again, here, give you a quick rundown of how it fits. Again, it fits really nice. Covers up the whole bottom, covers the whole backside, the wheels. One thing I will say is you probably could fit a bigger spoiler under there. It would come up quite a bit. So I don't know if the ZL1s would fit. I want to say yeah, for how high they were. I mean, it'd pull up because there's quite a bit of slack down there. Might not cover the wheels totally then, but that'd be okay. So, I mean, it fits pretty good. Like I said, I like it. I liked this car cover and I wanted to keep it. So I just kind of wanted to give you a quick update of what was going on with that. Thanks guys for joining in, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other Camaro content. All right, thanks guys.